Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 10, which is KB5062554. I'll leave the video for that linked down below and in the end screen if you would like some more info. Now, just to let you know that it seems that unfortunately, the update is breaking the emoji search panel in Windows 10. And in case you're unaware, you can enable the panel by using your Win and your stop or full stop key in the operating system. And as you can see, it says keep typing to find an emoji. And what is happening is when you do a search, it doesn't bring up the search results when you type into the panel. Instead, what it does is it displays a message, which is this message. And I'm using a screenshot because my screen recorder keeps interfering with the process, so I'll just cut to the chase and just showed you a screenshot without my screen recorder running. It brings up this message: we couldn't find this one each time you try to search for an emoji. So it's kind of an under the hood problem or issue, but if you are using this feature, the emoji panel, and searching for emojis on a regular basis, this may be a bit of a problem. And it does appear to be a widespread issue, according to reports doing the rounds online. And at this stage, Microsoft hasn't officially confirmed the issue. It hasn't confirmed anything over on its Known Issues Health dashboard page. But just bringing this to your attention, small niggly issue. And obviously, if I get any more information, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.